What's good, YouTube? It's Mr. Cashflow back today with another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get approved for an auto loan. So whenever you build your credit profile, the banks look for certain things whenever you want to get approved. So if you go in there with no credit, you will have to pay a high down payment. So what you do is you add trade lines. And what are trade lines? Trade lines are each individual account that reports to your credit profile. You need to add positive trade lines before you go in there so that you show that you've already been making payments and you've already been paying attention to your credit. Most of the times, whenever I work with clients and they go to the dealership, the two biggest problems are that they don't have any trade lines or they have hella collections. So if you have a lot of negative accounts on your credit report, you need to get those removed. The way that you do that is by going to the CFPB and submitting a dispute. The second way you can dispute your items is by going to each individual app, so Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, and starting a dispute that way. But you will need a letter. The way that you create a letter is by going to DeepSeek or ChatGPT, telling them that you want to use consumer law to dispute the items. We'll make a letter for you and just say that you want to do round one. Whenever the round one results come back, send round two, and keep doing that until all of the items are removed. Add positive trade lines after you remove all the negative things. One way that you can add positive trade lines is by going to Ava Finance. Ava Finance gives you the $2,500 credit limit. This will help you with building on-time payments, and it will give you that threshold. So whenever you want to get approved for high limit funding, you will need a credit card with a $2,500 balance or more, and this is what Ava Finance will do for you. There are more accounts out there like Credit Strong, KOVO Credit. One of the best ways is by adding authorized user trade lines. Authorized user trade lines allow you to benefit from someone else having good credit. Let's say you have a family member that has had a $20,000 limit with American Express for 5 years. If they were to add you on there as an authorized user, it will show on your report that you have a $20,000 credit card with Amex for 5 years. If you need access to those, you can get them from my website, or you can DM me on Instagram or Telegram. A way to get another trade line is by going to your bank and doing a secured savings pledge loan. You put money into your savings account and then tell them that you want to borrow against it. Once they take the money out, they'll put it back in your account in a few days. Now, this is the key to this whole step right here. Once you get the money back, pay down 90% of the loan so it's showing your credit report as a 90% paid off loan, and then pay the rest of it monthly. Doing that method alone can get you access to many different products in Navy Fed. So it can get you approved for a credit card, an auto loan, and many different things. But if you want to get your car, you can go through Navy and get it. And one other thing that people don't tell you is that if you get a Navy Fed loan, you can deposit the money into your bank account and you can just do whatever you want to do with it. So y'all can take that information and do as you wish, but always make sure that you have a good intention to do the best things, you feel me? But yeah, it's been Mr. Cashflow, and we out, one love.